Honorable Speaker, Honorable Speaker, Honorable Speaker.
All of you kindly raise and repeat after me. I pledge to uphold the Constitution of India and to serve the people with integrity, responsibility and respect for the democracy. New members to please take the oath or affirmation. Secretary General, please.
Kumari Vaishnavi, to stand elected from Jodhpur constituency of Rajasthan to take oath or affirmation. Madam, would you like to take oath or affirmation?
Oath, please.
In which language would you like to take oath?
In Hindi. मैं यस वैष्णवी ईश्वर की शपथ लेती हूँ कि मैं विधि पूर्वक स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगी।
Shri Charan, to stand elected from Tirupati constituency of Andhra Pradesh to take oath or affirmation. Sir, would you like to take oath or affirmation?
Oath, please.
In which language would you like to take oath?
In Telugu. చరణ్ అనే నేను లోక్సభ సభ్యునిగా ఎన్నుకోబడినందున చట్టరీత్యా నెలకొనబడిన భారత రాజ్యాంగం పట్ల యథార్థమైన భక్తి విశ్వాసం కలిగి ఉందునని భారతదేశపు సార్వభౌమాధికారమును అఖండతను కాపాడుదునని నేను స్వీకరింపబోవు పదవిని సమర్థవంతంగా నిర్వహిస్తానని దైవసాక్షిగా ప్రమాణం చేస్తున్నాను. Let's start this session with Prime Minister's remarks.
Respected Speaker and all my fellow parliamentarians, today we gather here not just to debate but to celebrate the spirit of democracy. On this day, let us address the concerns of our people with truth and responsibility. Thank you.
Leader of Opposition, please.
Honorable Speaker, Madam, here are our ministers to oppose the ruling party.
Question number 101.
Respected Speaker, Madam, people of our country are suffering due to sharp rise in price of daily essential and fuel. Common citizens are finding it too hard. They are struggling to manage it. What the government is doing to manage it?
I request Finance Minister to please answer the question.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, Madam. Honorable Speaker, Madam, we understand the public pain. Our government is trying to reduce excess duty on petrol, diesel and providing subsidies on LPG for common people. Inflation is a global issue, but we are trying to reduce excess price on grains and reducing prices. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, Madam.
Question number 102.
Respected Speaker, ma'am, crimes against women are rising. Many women still feel unsafe walking alone at night. What is the ruling party doing to ensure their safety?
I request Women and Child Development Minister to please answer the question.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, ma'am. They have set up fast-track courts, installed CCTV cameras in public places, launched nearby funds in several states. They have also improved police response system through women helpliness. Thank you, Speaker, madam.
Question number 103.
Honorable Speaker, ma'am, many government hospitals are lacking basic facilities like clean bed, staff, medicine. How can poor people get quality health care if our hospitals are in this condition? Thank you, Speaker, ma'am.
Requested Health Minister to please answer the question.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. We agree that improvements are needed. Under the Ayushman Bharat scheme, we have improved more than 1.5 lakh healthcare centers and also providing insurance to more than 50 crore people. We are also trying to recruit doctors in the rural healthcare infrastructure. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Question number 104.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, Madam. Honorable Speaker, Madam, the issue of NEET exam paper leak has caused stress to lakhs of students across the country. How will the government ensure fairness in the future exam? Thank you.
I request concerned minister to please answer the question.
Thank you, Speaker Madam. We take this very seriously. A high-level committee has been set up to reform the National Testing Agency. A strict legal action is being taken, those against and responsible for the paper leaks. We are also working together to create a safer and transparent digital exam system for the future. Thank you, Speaker Madam.
Question number 105.
माननीय महोदय, क्या सरकार अग्निपथ योजना पर युवाओं के आक्रोश को देखते हुए पूर्ण विचार करेगी? क्या यह सेना की स्थायित्व क्षमता को प्रभावित नहीं करता?
I request concerned minister to please answer the question.
माननीय महोदय, अग्निपथ योजना राष्ट्र निर्माण की दिशा में एक आधुनिक कदम है। यह देश सेवा कर सके, प्रशिक्षित नागरिक बन सके, यही इसका उद्देश्य है। समीक्षा जारी है।
Question number 106.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, ma'am. Honorable Speaker, today I rise here to express a deep concern and sorrow over the tragic death of many cricket fans outside the Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bengaluru during an IPL match. This incident is caused because of poor crowd management and lack of emergency services. This reflects a sheer negligence on the part of the local administration and sports authorities. What the government is doing during the incident? Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Requested concerned minister to please answer the question.
Honorable Speaker, the incident is unfortunate, but the MP is drawing conclusions without waiting for any official report.
Order, order. The minister will address the issue in due course. I can't allow further proceedings until the house is restored.
Investigation is underway. We will soon present the causative factors and corrective steps taken regarding this unfortunate incident. Thank you.
Let's continue the session. Question number 107.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir. Respected Speaker, sir, the recent air crash in Ahmedabad has raised serious concerns about the safety of our defense and civil aviation infrastructure. The incident not only resulted in destruction, but also exposed the gaps between our emergency preparedness and the aircraft maintenance protocol. The nation demands answer, not routine press statements. What are the further steps, sir? Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir.
I request concerned minister to please respond.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir. Honorable Speaker, the crash near Ahmedabad was indeed a tragic event and we honor the lives lost in service. A high-level investigation was underway to determine the technical and operational cause of the crash. Meanwhile, all safety protocols have been evaluated across both civil and military aviation sectors. Let us not politicize a sensitive issue during morning, but also work collectively to strengthen the national safety frameworks. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir.
Question number 108.
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, देश में साइबर हमलों की बढ़ती घटनाएं को देखते हुए सरकार की क्या तैयारी है?
I request concerned minister to talk on this issue.
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, साइबर सुरक्षा सरकार की प्राथमिकता में है। हमने इंडियन कंप्यूटर इमरजेंसी रिस्पांस टीम को और सशक्त किया है, साथ ही डेटा संरक्षण कानून को लागू किया है ताकि नागरिकों की गोपनीयता सुरक्षित रहे। धन्यवाद।
Question number 109.
Thank you, Speaker, sir. Unemployment is a serious problem. Our educated youth are struggling to find jobs. What concrete steps is the ruling party taking to provide opportunities?
I request concerned minister to answer.
Yes, Speaker, sir. The Government of India is addressing unemployment through Skilled India Mission and PM's Kaushal Vikas Yojana, which have trained over 1 crore Indians. Also, startup schemes and MSME support are creating lakhs of jobs. The Rozgar Mela launched by our PM is helping youth get placements in government sectors. Thank you.
Question number 110.
Respected Speaker, sir, what are the effects of external wars on India? How is it able to manage it? And what are the pros and cons of it which are happening to India? Thank you, sir.
I request External Affairs Minister to answer.
Respected Speaker, sir, at the UN, India emphasizes that dialogue and diplomacy are the only sustainable routes to peace and condemned intermittent pauses in hostilities and demanded the immediate release of hostages. Thank you, Speaker, sir.
Question number 111.
Respected Speaker, sir, what are the reasons for India and Union nation are in understrength? Thank you, Speaker, sir.
I request Concerned Minister to talk about this.
Thank you, respected Speaker, sir. The US imposed 25% additional tariff on India purchasing Russian oil and defense equipment. Analysts say this causing tension in partnership that has been seen as depending for years. At the same time, India is seeking to maintain its strategic autonomy, balancing its relation not just with the US but also with Russia and China. Thank you, respected Speaker, sir.
Question number 112.
Respected Speaker, sir, has India raised the issue of global terrorism at the international stage? Thank you, sir.
I request Concerned Minister to answer.
Yes, we have raised the issue and also highlighted this at the UN General Assembly and BRICS Summit. We also made sure that the countries promoting terrorism should be put on FATF block list. Thank you.
Question number 113. Thank you, sir. Will India continue to trade with Russia or not? I request Concerned Minister to answer.
Thank you, Speaker, sir. Our government has been consistently transaction of 6,000 crores has been given to Russia on the purpose of trading, and our government also trying to improve the partnership with other countries.
Question number 114.
Thank you, Speaker, sir. Respected Speaker, sir, how will the general budget help middle class people? Thank you, Speaker, sir.
I request Concerned Minister to respond.
Respected Speaker, sir, new budget introduced the zero tax region income up to 12 lakhs. Shift to new region means fewer benefits. Many middle class earners, especially those who are relying on such reductions, may end up by paying more overall despite the headlines relief. Our government is taking initiation for this tax relief for the standard of living for the middle class people. Thank you, Speaker, sir.
Question number 115.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir. What are India's current achievements under renewable energy target? Thank you, Speaker, sir.
I request Concerned Minister what steps you are going to take.
Honorable Speaker, India has achieved 192 megawatts of renewable energy capacity, surpassing interior target under our solar mission, and the goal of 522 megawatts by 2030 remain on track. Thank you.
Question number 116.
Honorable Speaker, sir, nowadays drug abuse among youth is found everywhere. What preventive steps is government taking to control it? Thank you, Speaker, sir.
I request Concerned Minister to respond.
Honorable Speaker, sir. Honorable Speaker, sir. Awareness campaigns are being run across the country to make people aware of horrible consequences of drug users. And we strengthen our police network and upgraded CCTNS to track and dismantle the drug supply chains. And we increase surveillance at ports and airports to prevent an influx of drugs from other countries. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir.
Question number 117.
Thank you, sir. Why Parliament failed to conduct the meaningful debate on the air pollution crisis despite repeated requests? What the government is planning to protect the public's health? Thank you, sir.
I request Concerned Minister to respond.
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, वायु प्रदूषण जैसे गंभीर जनस्वास्थ्य संकट पर बार बार अनुशोधनों के बावजूद सरकार द्वारा सार्थक संसदीय बहस न करना अत्यंत चिंताजनक है। इससे प्रतीत होता है कि सरकार इस राष्ट्रीय संकट पर आंसर जवाब देने के देह बचे रहे हैं। इस संसद गरिमा और जनहित के विपरीत है।
We are happy to introduce foreign delegates to all parliamentarians. I would like to invite Mr. Kim Jim from South Korea, and Chonbo from China, and Williams from Indonesia.
Any questions from the leader of opposition?
Honorable Speaker, Madam, through you, I want to ask the ruling party that what is Niti Aayog program doing?
Requested Prime Minister to please answer the question.
Honorable Speaker, through you, I want to inform this House that under our leadership, Niti Aayog is actively driving long-term development with oriented planning and strategies. We have 4 major initiatives. First one, Sustainable Development Goals. Second one, 15-year vision document. Third one, Digital India Push. And fourth one, Atmanirbhar Bharat, that is self-reliant India. And we are looking forward to make more strategies to make our country better. Thank you.
The House is adjourned till tomorrow. Thank you.